How to invest in property with no money. The problem is not that the world is running out of water. No, the problem is that drinkable surface water is increasingly polluted due to the urbanization of rural areas and industrial farming. And all the while there are simply a lot more people who want to sip. When you look at the Earth from outer space you see a lot of water. But less than half of 1% of it is fresh. The United Nations reports that the consumption of water worldwide is doubling every 2 decades. Already 1 billion people do not have easy access to drinking water. By 2025 the UN figures that 2.7 billion people will suffer from severe water shortages. Because of water's critical role in our health, almost all US and European water is held and managed by regulated utilities whose growth rates and expenses are capped by government fiat. The best way to play water is probably through the companies that supply pollution control, purification, pipeline construction and irrigation controlled products, though there's nothing wrong with owning a couple of successful water utilities as well. A key example: China has 20% of the world's population but only 7% of the water. The water industry should be ripe with investment opportunities. Hydrologists expect the demand for water will continue to increase with the world's growing population. Some predict that by 2025 3.5 billion people will be living in water-scarce countries compared with 500 million in 2002. A plan by Canada to ship 1 meter gallons of water a day to the Middle East was dropped after protests by environmentalists. It's a long-term medium-risk portfolio. Portfolio is for active investors once per month to make a revision and maintains if it needs. So it's a friendly use portfolio for beginners.